Get out the way. Get out the way. I'm coming right for you. Get out the way.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra issue 59. I hope you enjoy following these along, and if you are, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and you can leave a note in the comments if you want. I will always get back in touch with you. So without further ado, let's crack on. As usual, we'll do a quick flick through the magazine. Sorry if the lights blow on this plate. So never read any of these. So we're doing the intercooler one. So that's for an export. So basically building that up and then fitting the intercooler to the car. So there's the parts. We'll get them open and we'll crack on. Right, we'll get 59A, 59B, and we've got some TP screws. Yep, that looks like the right way. And where have I put my blinking screwdriver? Oh, there. And I'm going to lock this in place. It's warm tonight, it's muggy, it's cloudy out. I haven't got it's a Thursday night and I think there's thunderstorms and heavy rain going throughout the country, but up here in the northeast it's just very muggy, very warm, cloudy. I think there's a little bit light rain going on out there, but not heavy stuff. So and that is that. Okay, what am I going to do next? Right, so here's this and this. Now, look as though the push fit. Just getting the holes lined up. That's that one on. And the other side. Just getting these holes lined up. And that's that done. Right, what next is, looks like this. Now, any particular way? Doesn't say it, just says fit it on. I'll find out when I fit it on. And that's that. Right, let's sort out what's next. Okay, I'll be back in a tick and I'll get everything sorted for the next stage. Okay, so next what I'll do is looking at the instructions. I've got to put that one there with a CP but not lock it down yet, and the other one with another CP and not lock it down yet. So it'll sort of sit flush like that. So I'll get that done, and I'll then get the core down, because the next bit's putting this into the core. So I'll get these on, I'll move this, I'll bring the core to the bench, so that'll be that. Okay, we'll now get this. And this has got to go here and here. Now we'll look. I've got to put 2 CP screws in there and there. So see if I can get them first time. That's that one on. That's that. Now lock these ones up. They don't want to see the lock up. So I don't want to put too much pressure on the cup. That's it. Right, well, that's that in, and that's it finished. So pretty quick issue. So I'll say thank you for watching, and catch you next time when we do issue 60, which I think it's wiring all this intercooler up. So catch you next time. So bye from now. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.